Hello and welcome to a beehiiv feature update where I'm going to cover a brand new feature where we now allow custom HTML in the custom footer of a publication email. So to get to your custom footer settings, you're going to hit Settings, Email Template, navigate to Email Footer, and then scroll to the bottom where it says Custom Content. When you arrive on this screen, we can now, you'll see, have a custom HTML snippet. I'm just going to test with a HTML5 code tag, which is just going to format the text inside of it to look like code. So let's see, hello, the famous hello world, just to prove the concept. Close that code tag. Click outside here to get this save the change, and now when we hit preview, you'll see that it's formatted using custom HTML. If we wanted to center it, we could add the styling to center it, but you can now completely customize, pull custom content into your footer, making the footer, infinitely more flexible. Hopefully this is useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see what you build. Have a great day.